How to fix unable to load conversation in ChatGPT. I'm going to show you 3 different fixes. For the first one, you want to search for is OpenAI down and click on OpenAI status. Just make sure that ChatGPT is working. If there are any issues here, they will be reported and you will know that it's not coming from your end. If it says that it's working, then you want to click on the 3 dots, assuming you use Google Chrome, and then you will go into settings. Now right here, you want to search for cookies. So you just want to find delete browsing data and you will click on delete browsing data here and you will do it for the entirety of the time. So we're going to change this to all time and you will just click on delete from this device, but make sure you know all of your passwords. So because this is going to log you out. And once you have done this, if that doesn't work either, the last thing that you can do is to go and sign out of ChatGPT and then sign back in. Unfortunately, I can't show you because it's currently down, but you will sign out of ChatGPT and sign back in, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.